I'm so happy to see you. Thank you so much for tuning in to my video. It's wash day and I could not be more excited. I don't think my hair and my scalp could be more excited. I haven't shampooed my hair in about 3 weeks, which is just way too long. My scalp, when I go longer than a week, my scalp just itches, and I scratch and it gets irritated. But one reason it's been so long since I've shampooed is because I flat ironed my hair after I did mini twists. I love those mini twists, by the way. But I flat ironed my hair after I did the mini twists, and this is 3 weeks. My hair doesn't typically last this long from a flat iron, much less a flat iron that I do at home. But the hair itself still looks good, but my ends are really frizzy. And I am getting a trim very soon, within a week. So I'm happy to be getting a trim, but I'm kind of afraid I may end up having to get more than just a trim. And that's okay too. Hey, it's a new year, and if I have to get more cut off, then I'll just get more cut off. I've been neglecting my hair in these past, especially the past 2 weeks. The first week when it was nice and it was a fresh flat iron, I did okay. But around that second week when the ends were just not cooperating, I would just put it up in a knot, my scrunchie, and go to bed. I haven't even been putting on my bonnet or my scarf. What is wrong? That's not like me. That is not like me at all. So my hair definitely needs some attention. I'm using some products that I've had for a few weeks, maybe about a month. Haven't had a chance to use them because I haven't done my hair. But they are by the Hair Nimation brand. I have the shampoo, leave-in conditioner, the deep conditioner mask, and the styling gel. So I think I will do my trusted flat twist out.